Share this story with y'all, right? So during my time of spiritual awakening, the water helped heal me, right? So I love water. I love hot weather. I love being outside. Ever since I was a little girl, I always took baths, right? But when I lived in Mexico, I had to learn how to take a shower because it's real hot. Most of their houses there have showers. They do have bathtubs, but depending on where you live and what type of house you have. So spiritual cleansing, though, it is the fundamental practice for removing negative energies and restoring balance and harmony to your life. It literally helped heal me, the water. I live 15 minutes from the beach, and I stayed at the beach all every day. It helped clear my mind, okay, after narcissistic abuse, after having death rituals done on me, after healing myself from black magic, after overcoming post-traumatic stress disorder, anxiety, depression, from grief, from loss, and from all of these things I had to overcome, right? I remember my grandmother used to always tell me, you and your kids are always clean. You always take baths and be smelling good and all this stuff. So I've been doing this as I was a little girl. But when I went through this in my life, I had to stay near the beach. I needed to be near the water. If you live near the water, listen, you can live longer. Did y'all know that? By living near the water. So this is why when I was thinking about retirement, I wanted to retire in Mexico. That was my whole reason for moving there. Okay, listen, I want to live near the water, right? So just as physical cleanliness is essential for our well-being, spiritual cleanliness is crucial for maintaining a healthy energy field, okay? This can keep malevolent forces at bay. Malevolent. You know what I mean. So negative energies, such as those created by stress, emotional turmoil, or external spiritual attacks, can accumulate and weaken your protective barriers, making you more vulnerable to harm, right? So when you do this regularly, like take spiritual baths. I take spiritual baths. You can do other stuff. People, they smudge themselves with sacred herbs, okay? I do burn incense, okay? I ain't one to burn sage, okay? I'm not. I use cinnamon, I use myrrh, frankincense, okay? Cinnamon will help you. It helps you. If you sad and you down from grief, from loss, from emotional turmoil, it changes your mood. So I still burn cinnamon. And it turns your grief from sadness to happy. Like, it helps you. There are a lot of benefits with cinnamon, myrrh, okay, frankincense. So listen. Basically, what I'm trying to insinuate here is regular cleansing. It helps to purify your energy and reinforce your spiritual defenses. Would therapy help me to heal my body, to get all of that negative energy out of my body? So that's something that I love to do. Lymphatic drainage massages, that help me, okay? Listen, y'all ladies, take care of yourself. Go get you a microdermabrasion, okay? Go get you a charcoal chemical peel. I'm just saying, take care of yourself. Like I said, that's one of the things that I do. I love the spa, so I will plan an 8-hour spa day. Ain't nothing wrong with it. Listen to this. I love spiritual baths. So water is one of the most ancient and universal cleansing elements. It holds the power to wash away negative energies. When I tell you it helped heal me, the water helped heal me. The water is powerful. It is an ancient and universal cleansing element. It holds the power, y'all, to restore balance is what I'm trying to tell you. It helped me to restore balance in my body. Just being outside in general, okay? Grounding yourself. Listen. So, sea salt. Also, many spiritual practices, listen, even in different religions, water is used for both personal purification and to cleanse your space, okay? So as the water cleanses you, release all negativity, okay? And say, I am restored back to my divine state of mind, okay? State of peace and protection. So salt is another powerful tool for spiritual protection and purification. It is being used across cultures to absorb and neutralize negative energy. You can use salt to purify your space, even your aurora. You can do a salt bowl for space cleansing. Like, there's many different practices, spiritual practices, okay, to incorporate into your life to protect you from evil demonic forces, okay? Some people they cleanse with sound, with herbs, with light, okay? But there is spiritual power of water and salt. And God showed me this, okay? It's been revered in many cultures for their spiritual cleansing properties. And together, water and salt, they create a powerful combination for removing negative energies and restoring spiritual balance, y'all. That's all I'm saying. It's associated with purification, protection, healing, and making ideal tools for spiritual cleansing. You can use water for emotional and spiritual purification. It has the ability to cleanse and restore. That's all I'm saying. And even in esoteric teachings, y'all, it is believed that water holds memory, storing energies absorbed during its travels. So that's all I'm saying. I'm just here to drop y'all some knowledge. That's it. You can use it for personal cleansing, right? It neutralizes harmful energies that attack or that try to attach itself. Let me say that to your body or your aurora. It acts as a barrier to negative forces, making it a powerful tool for spiritual protection. That's why I love salt scrubs. That's one of the things that I love. And what does that salt do? It draws out the negative energy from your body, leaving you feeling lighter, more protected, more beautiful, more vibrant, more... Okay, I'm just giving you some tips here. So you can even protect yourself through the connection with nature, too. It's a practical technique, okay? Grounding yourself. So make sure that you start using some of these spiritual protection techniques along with prayer, visualization, meditation, okay? Have cleansing rituals that you do to cleanse your energy because it is incredibly effective, okay? And it takes your protection to a deeper, more potent level, okay? I'm just saying, y'all. Like water helped heal me from psychic attacks, okay? When they wanted to make me lose my mind. Yeah. When they was throwing them dark blows, them dark rituals, that black magic. Yeah. Now they like, how? What? You got to confuse the enemy. Because some people thought you was going to die and stay dead until you resurrected yourself, until you actively transmuted negativity into a powerful protective energy, okay? Pyrite. So listen, I'm done, y'all. I'm just on here to teach y'all. That's it. So make sure you are, doing your spiritual cleansings, okay? And right now, y'all, is the perfect time to do it. So you can learn how to spring forward. I'm just here. I'm just a messenger to send one. That's it. That's it, y'all. I love y'all.